The Boeing 787 Dreamliner made a stop in Toronto on Friday. Air Canada has 37 of these new mid-size aircraft on order, with 7 expected to be delivered in 2014. Made of composite plastic, the plane is much lighter and more fuel efficient. It even uses a Rolls-Royce engine. The mid-size plane can hold between 210 and 290 passengers. One of its unique features is a self-adjusting window mechanism, eliminating the old manual shades. It also has LED lighting, which should be more comfortable for the passenger and should ease jet lag concerns. Air Canada says the new plane, with its longer range, may enable it to fly to new destinations, especially in China and India.